The sky's the limit. Understanding high flyer. Hello, English language explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you may have heard in schools, workplaces, and magazines: high flyer. We'll explore its meaning, its origins, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. So, buckle up and get ready to add another expression to your growing English vocabulary. When we call someone a high flyer, we're referring to a person who is ambitious and successful, someone who is rising quickly to a top position in their profession, or who has achieved a lot at a young age. It's a compliment suggesting that the person is capable of achieving great things. The term comes with the imagery of flying high, the idea that like an airplane or bird soaring at great altitudes, a high flyer reaches levels of success above the average. The phrase, high flyer, has an interesting history. It's been used for centuries, originally to describe someone who had grand ideas or extravagant plans, sometimes too grand to succeed. Over time, its use has become more positive and is now solidly linked to achieving excellence and having outstanding abilities or high potential. Now, let's see how to use high flyer in everyday language. She's a real high flyer in the tech industry, already leading her own team at 25. That student is a high flyer. He's top of his class and captain of the swim team. We expect big things from him. He's always been a high flyer. Notice how in each case, the phrase is used to denote someone exceptional and noteworthy in their field or activities. While high flyer is often used in professional and academic contexts, it can apply in various areas, including business, describing someone who might be a future executive or company leader. Education, used for students who perform well above average. Sports, referring to athletes who are seen as potential stars or who have rapidly advanced in their sport. High flyer isn't just a descriptive term. It has cultural weight. It reflects a society's appreciation for ambition and success. In movies, books, and articles, high flyers are often depicted as role models and the heroes of our modern age. It encapsulates a dream of achieving great heights, both literally and figuratively. Thank you for watching our exploration of the phrase, high flyer. We hope you now feel confident in understanding and using this term to describe the achievers and ambitious individuals in your life. Keep aiming high in your English language journey, and who knows, you might just be a high flyer in English too. Until our next video, keep learning and keep soaring.